Does Hisense TV have camera? Most Hisense Smart TVs do not have a built-in camera, as the brand focuses on affordability and privacy-conscious designs. Unlike some high-end brands that integrate cameras for video calls and facial recognition, Hisense TVs typically do not include this feature. However, external cameras can be connected for video conferencing through supported apps. 1. Do any Hisense TVs have a built-in camera? Standard Hisense Smart TVs, most models do not come with an integrated camera. Hisense Android and Google TVs, some models may support external USB cameras for apps like Google Duo. Hisense Roku and VDA OS TVs. These models generally lack camera support entirely. Commercial or conference Hisense TVs. Some business-focused models may include cameras for meeting purposes. Since privacy concerns are a major factor, Hisense prioritizes models without built-in cameras, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. 2. How to check if your Hisense TV has a camera. If you are unsure whether your Hisense TV has a camera, try the following. Inspect the front panel or bezels. Cameras are usually placed in the center of the top bezel. Check the TV settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Camera if available. Refer to the user manual. It will mention any built-in camera features. Look for a physical shutter or indicator light. Most smart TVs with cameras include an LED indicator for when the camera is active. 3. How to use a camera with a Hisense TV. Even though Hisense TVs lack built-in cameras, you can connect external cameras for video calls. Step 1. Plug a compatible USB webcam into the Hisense TV's USB port. Step 2. Install a video calling app such as Google Duo or Skype if supported by the TV's operating system. Step 3. Open the app and grant camera permissions. Step 4. Start a video call using the external camera. For Hisense Android or Google TVs, webcam support may be available, but Roku and VDA OS models usually do not support USB cameras. 4. Privacy concerns about smart TV cameras. If a smart TV has a camera, privacy concerns can arise, including unauthorized access or hacking. Cybercriminals could potentially exploit vulnerabilities. Data collection. Some brands use cameras for facial recognition or targeted ads. Lack of physical covers. Unlike laptops, smart TV cameras may not have built-in privacy shutters. Hisense avoids these issues by not including cameras in most of their smart TVs, making them a safer option for privacy-conscious users. Hisense Smart TVs do not have built-in cameras, but some models support external webcams for video calls. If camera functionality is needed, using third-party devices like webcams, streaming sticks, or screen mirroring provides the best solution.